Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavor of Shops Mechanical Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant brings about substantial savings. And program organized to mark Road Safety Month at Hot Strip Mill 2 of SAIL RSP. Coming to the news in details, the highly enthusiastic team of Shops Mechanical, known for its dexterity and commitment to excellence, has been rendering valuable service to SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant by carrying out several critical repair and maintenance jobs. The employees of the department have recently successfully accomplished many complex jobs, thereby bringing substantial savings for the company. The efforts have also helped the user departments enhance their performance and effectiveness. One such initiative is the revamping of the driving disc of coal dust injection mill for Blast Furnace 4. It may be noted that the coal dust injection mill was installed and commissioned in the year 2013. The mill is used for achieving a better coke rate for manufacturing of hot metal in blast furnace. Due to the prolonged use, the driving disc of the mill had developed cracks, thereby making the disc unsuitable for use and had to be replaced immediately. The blast furnace department doesn't have a spare driving disc. The external agencies were asked to attend the problem, to which they denied, as the system has become obsolete, and recommended for its replacement with its new version, which cost approximately Rs 50 lakhs. After rounds of brainstorming by a team of employees of Shop Mechanical, Design Department and Blast Furnace Mechanical, the scope of repair and procedure was frozen in consultation with Mr. A.V. Rajshekhar, CGM Mechanical. The shops proposed to go for its stitching by fixing of stiffeners and across the lines of crack. Accordingly, different mechanizing activities were carried out at HOMA and CNC Plano Miller machine of mechanical shop. Some other machines like CNC milling and universal drilling machine of mechanical shop were also used. The support of different units of shops, RSM and structural and fabrication shop for developing of keys and annular ring helped in repair of driving disc quickly. The support of BF Mechanical with the supply of fasteners, steel putty, etc. in quick time also helped in the process. All the spares and accessories were assembled using in-house resources. Under the guidance of Mr. Shekhar Narayan, GM Mechanical Shop, and Mr. V.B. Ekka, DGM Design, and high degree of technical expertise of the employees, the machine could be brought back to operation within 6 days and handed over to blast furnace. Such a reconditioning and repair job using in-house resources without any outside help has led to financial savings of approximately Rs 25 lakhs for the company. As a part of Road Safety Month celebration, a quiz competition was organized at Hot Strip Mill 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 12 February. Mr. D. Datta, CGM HSM2, presided over the function. Present on the occasion were other senior officers of the department. In all, 40 employees took part in the competition. The road safety quiz aimed at creating awareness about road safety, traffic laws, traffic signal, and new reforms to achieve zero road accident. RSP has been conducting a series of programs to mark the event, which is slated to conclude on 17 February. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.